Heavy monsoon rains continue to wreak havoc across Maharashtra, and a major building collapse in Pune's Pimpri Chinchwad has triggered a massive rescue operation. According to initial reports, a large portion of a building collapsed in the Moshi area, raising fears that around 16 people may be trapped beneath the debris. The incident created panic among local residents as the structure came crashing down, with emergency calls prompting an immediate response from authorities. Fire brigade personnel, police teams, disaster response units, and other emergency services rushed to the site within minutes and launched an intensive search and rescue operation. Rescue workers are using heavy machinery along with manual efforts to clear the debris carefully, as officials believe survivors could still be trapped inside the collapsed structure. One person has been seriously injured and shifted to a nearby hospital where doctors are monitoring the patient's condition. The collapse comes amid relentless rainfall that has affected several parts of Maharashtra, increasing the risk of structural damage, flooding, and landslides. Authorities are also facing the challenge of carrying out rescue operations in difficult weather conditions, with continuous rain slowing down efforts at the site. Officials have cordoned off the area to prevent further accidents, while nearby residents have been urged to stay away from the damaged building. The exact reason behind the collapse is yet to be determined, and a detailed investigation is expected once rescue operations are completed. Experts are likely to examine whether heavy rainfall, weakened structural integrity, or possible construction-related issues contributed to the incident. As rescue teams continue their race against time, the primary focus remains on locating and safely evacuating those feared trapped under the rubble. Authorities have assured that every available resource is being deployed, while anxious families wait for updates on their loved ones. The incident serves as another stark reminder of the dangers posed by extreme monsoon conditions and the importance of ensuring the structural safety of buildings during the rainy season.